Massive news today with the government releasing new spots in the home guarantee scheme. There's also some big changes if you're a New Zealand citizen, so listen up. From the 1st of July 2024, the government is releasing 50,000 new spots to the home guarantee scheme. This is a huge boost for first home buyers, single parents, or anyone looking at buying in regional areas. The single biggest update this year became effective on the 21st of June. This allows New Zealand citizens holding the Special Category Visa 444 to be eligible for the home guarantee scheme. This is massive news. It allows anyone that's a permanent resident, Australian citizen, or New Zealand citizen living in Australia to be eligible for the scheme. So let's break down the three types of guarantees. The first is the first home guarantee. This supports eligible first home buyers or anyone that hasn't owned a home for the last 10 years to buy a house with as little as a 5% deposit. The second is the regional first home guarantee. To be eligible for this scheme, you'll need to have lived in the regional area for at least 12 months before, and there are some exemptions with work relocations. The third is the family home guarantee. It helps single parents or legal guardians buy a home with as little as 2% deposit. So how does the first home guarantee scheme work? It allows eligible buyers to purchase a home with a smaller deposit, with a guarantee being provided by the government. This guarantee can be up to 15% for people under the home guarantee scheme and regional guarantee scheme, and up to 18% under the family home guarantee. This means you can avoid paying lenders' mortgage insurance, which can save you $20,000 to $30,000. I think the biggest benefit with this scheme is the government isn't taking any ownership of your property. Under some of the shared equity schemes that you might have seen, the government actually becomes a part owner of your home. So in other words, if you do a shared equity scheme, when you go and sell your home, if there's profits, the government keeps a portion of that. Also using the shared equity scheme, if you want to make changes to property, you're potentially restricted because the government owns part of the property with you. That is not the case with the home guarantee scheme, with the family or the regional guarantee schemes. With these schemes, the government doesn't own a portion of your property. They're just giving you a guarantee if something goes wrong. So under any of these schemes, you get to do what you want with the property, and also you keep all the profits at the end. The main benefit of this scheme is it allows you to get in the market quicker without paying that lender's mortgage insurance. You're still going to need at least a 5% deposit and meet the bank criteria. Now let's talk about eligibility. Each guarantee scheme has a specific criteria, but generally you'll need to be an Australian citizen, permanent resident, or eligible New Zealand citizen. There's an income threshold to meet. For the 2023-2024 year, your individual taxable income needs to be under $125,000 if you're applying your own, or under $200,000 combined if you're a couple. The application process is pretty straightforward. You need to have done your tax return for the financial year ending June 30, 2024, and they base your income on that notice assessment amount. As your broker, we'll help secure you a spot and also get a pre-approval to make sure you're eligible and ready to buy. You'll need to provide the home buyer declaration, but we'll help you out with that. It's essentially a form saying that yes, you're definitely eligible for the scheme, here are your details, and you haven't applied for it before. You also need to look at participating lenders. Not all banks can do this scheme, so you want to work with a broker that has experience and knows all the ins and outs. At Hunter Galloway, we've helped hundreds of home buyers to buy under the home guarantee scheme. We've saved them tens of thousands of dollars in lenders' mortgage insurance. If you want some free info, hit us up at our website below, huntergalloway.com.au. We can give you a free assessment and find out if you're eligible, or if you're looking at buying next year, we can help get you on the pathway. So you're thinking about applying for the home guarantee scheme this year? Let me know in the comments below. And until next time, see you guys.